Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix PUBG Mobile installation and downloading problems step by step. Follow all the methods carefully and your issue should be resolved. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are using a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If the download is stuck, switch networks and try again. Step 2. Free up storage space. Ensure your device has enough free storage for PUBG Mobile and its additional files. Step 3. Clear Google Play Store cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store Storage, Clear Cache and clear data. Step 4. Update Google Play Services. Update Google Play Services and Google Play Store to the latest version. Step 5. Check device compatibility. Make sure your device meets the game's minimum requirements. Step 6. Disable VPN. Turn off any VPN or proxy service before downloading PUBG Mobile. Step 7. Restart your device. Restart your phone and try downloading or installing the game again. Step 8. Reinstall PUBG Mobile. Uninstall the game, restart your device, and install it again. I hope this guide helped you fix the PUBG Mobile installation and downloading problems. If you're still facing any error, comment below with the exact issue and I'll try to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming fixes and tutorials.